Let's wash our beans. To add water. And pre-cook this for about 35 minutes. About 35 minutes on medium high. Study as you go. Okay, the beans is on fire. And I'm going to let it cook for about 35 minutes. Rice cups, you know, the little cup thing that comes with rice cooker, or in this case it's the same measurement. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it's 1 cup. Maybe it's 3/4 of a cup. So 3 and 4 of them for this recipe to the 1.5 actual cup black beans. This feeds a lot of people, so beware. Okay. Washing it with cold water. Studying as you go. Normally I just cook the rice right in it, but that will not tell us how many cups of water I use, so I'm going to drain it and not cook the rice in the same pot to try and get the correct number of cups of water that I'm using to cook the whole thing, because we are doing a take on wache, or this Ghanaian food, which is rice and beans, and normally when it's cooked, we use black eyed peas, and it has a rich purpley color to it. I find using black beans gives me the same rich purpley color, so I'm using black beans. From experimenting living outside of Ghana and trying to do the same thing, we found out black beans give us the same color if you use the black bean water. So that's what we are doing. Please do not crucify us. We know this is not the actual recipe. This is our take on it. I'm going to transfer it into my Dutch oven. And I have my water. I'm going to mix the rice with it now. Normally I just mix it all on the stove, but I'll pour out the water. And remember, this is 4 cups of rice, and it's 4 rice cups of rice. And I'm going to put in this is the rice cup that comes with rice cookers. I'm going to put in about, let's see how because normally I don't measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 5 cups of that. And we need to add salt now, because I did not cook my beans with salt, so there's no salt added. So I'll do, this is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'll do salt to taste. Stir it. Yeah, the water is perfect. I normally just want the water right above it. So stir it together. And I'm going to put it on fire on high heat bring it back here on high heat, and I'm going to do high heat for about 10-15 minutes. Then I'll probably be able to let you see how it turns out in 10-15 minutes when it boils over and I stir it, and we'll take it from there. Okay, let's check our
Ooh. How many minutes has this been?
About 15 minutes.
Oh wow.
Then stir it all together. And now,
so nice.
Yeah, it smells nice, doesn't it? Now I'm going to lower the heat and let the steam do the rest, because it's absorbed as much water as it will.
So could you do this with canned beans?
I will not advise you do it with canned beans, because you don't know how long the beans and water has been sitting on the shelf, and normally they even advise you to rinse the beans.
Right, yeah.
So
okay.
don't do that.
All right.
It's been 20 minutes. Let's check. Ooh, it's completely. I think it's done. It's fluffy. We still need to make the stew. Rather, I'll turn it off, and we'll have to make a stew to go with it. Let's plate this. A little bit of sauce.